Hi, in front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to Access Advanced Features. Following that, click on App Cloner at the top and tap on the gray sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Facebook. So when I click and wait, then go back, I can see that my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!